rise. Judge Vaughn B court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1040, Golden case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Miss Golden.
Ooh, it's going down in the courtroom today. Grab your popcorn, because this baby daddy dispute is about to get messy. And guess what? Judge V is not here for the games. Let's dive in.
You brought this case before the court. What's
Yes,
going on?
ma'am. This is my baby father, Jaleel Scott. I'm here to place him on child support for our
Okay.
child, Emory the Second.
You mad at him?
A little bit.
Oh, okay. Why you mad at him?
He's claiming that he only makes $40,000 a year when I know he makes well over that, and he's not taking care of our child.
Okay.
And this started off one night, we were bar hopping. I'm a bartender.
Okay.
And, you know, things got carried away.
What do you mean by things got carried away?
How little Emory was made.
Oh.
And,
Well, I don't need those details, but
you know, he didn't believe that it was his child.
oh, okay. So yeah, you guys were bar hopping and then
Yes, ma'am.
so you left your job, he came to your job and then y'all went bar hopping and had some drinks.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then you guys ended up getting together and you got pregnant.
Right.
All right. And so he's mad at you because you got pregnant?
He didn't believe that it was his child.
Why would he think, well, you know what? I'll ask him that.
So he didn't believe the baby was his. But they've done multiple DNA tests? Sir, this isn't Maury. When the science says yes, the debate ends there.
So you want him to pay child support today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Have we done DNA testing?
Yes, ma'am. Several of those.
Several, okay. And
All with his name on that paper.
Okay.
And the DNA saying that it was his.
And I see the last test, he has been confirmed as the father, so there is no dispute there. All right, sir? Why are you mad at her?
Because I'm gonna tell you my side of the story, all right?
All right, let's hear it.
All right, I was at the bar with my boys, you know, kicking it. It was Super Bowl weekend. So, you
Okay.
know, Kansas City, you know. So, you know, I'm just minding my own business, looking at the screen. All of a sudden, I see this Hennessy bottle in front of me, and this girl. I'm like, what? So she gonna offer me a drink, talking about, you could take one. I'm like, I'm trying to be sober tonight. You know, I'm trying to go home and, you know, kick it with the boys, play some dominoes and spades, you know. But, you know, I said, why not, you know. I took one, then, you know, what happened. One turned into another, then another. The next thing I know, I wake up the next morning, she in my bed. I'm like, how you get here?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I see why you're upset. You didn't intend for that to happen,
I
right?
didn't, not at all.
Oh, okay. She bamboozled you.
She sure did.
Okay, all right. Well, you know, there's a baby here.
Oh, Jaleel just woke up like it was a Hangover sequel. Except instead of a tiger in the bathroom, he's got a child on the way. These courtroom confessions are giving daytime drama a run for its money.
And you're the father. So whether she bamboozled you or not, you have a baby that you need to take care of.
And I'm all for that. I'm all for that. But, you know, I just don't like the way she did it.
Okay, I understand. You want to apologize to him?
I don't.
Oh, okay. Well, it looks like no apologies will be happening today,
Or
Mr.
ever.
Scott. So, this is what we're going to do. We're going to order you to pay child support. Is this baby on health insurance?
She's on Medicaid.
What is this baby's name?
Emory.
Emory. Well, I mean, how do you spell her name?
Emory.
Should have been Jaleel.
Emory.
I don't think Jaleel is the pretty girl name, do you?
It's all right.
Right after her mommy.
Well, you know what? That could have been something that you entertained if you'd have been taking care of the baby and not saying it wasn't yours. You'd agree with me, right?
I guess so.
Okay, all right. So Emory, you said she's on Medicaid, and I heard you mention something about $40,000.
Yes.
What is wrong with that? Because he turned in some
That's what
tax
he's-
returns, and it actually says $42,000, so it's more than 40.
And it's more than that.
How do you know?
48,000 all over his social media, flaunting money at the strip clubs.
Oh, okay.
Where is this extra income coming from?
First
Sir,
of all-
it ain't that 42,000 that you're
Well,
claiming.
I'm
that you
actually
have.
asking the questions here, but I asked the same question. Where is this extra income coming from, sir?
I don't know where she getting that from. I'm a
So
barber.
Now, here's where things heat up. She says he's flaunting stacks at the strip club, but his tax return says $42K? Let's be real. Either he's got side hustles, or he's starring in the world's worst episode of Undercover Flexers.
My money is inconsistent.
Okay, so the money that she's talking about that you're flaunting on social media, is that the same 42,000?
That's
You
sometimes
just making it stretch?
it just be my homeboys' money. This time, you know, I stunt with theirs. You know, every now
Oh,
and
so
then.
you stunned?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I got you. It's not his money.
Bamboozling.
Oh.
was
Well,
the
it
word
sounds
we
like you
to
both
use.
bamboozled each other. So in my
We
opinion,
like
you're
to
both pretty
use.
even, okay? So this is what we're gonna do. We're going to base his child support off of this 42,000 from his tax return. That's what he turned in. If you can show proof that his income is more than 42,000, you can come back to court and I will entertain it, sir, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
But today, this is what we're gonna go off of. So at 42,000, that makes his gross $3,500 a month, which brings your net down to $2,950.42. Do you have any other children, Mr. Scott?
I got one other child.
One other child, okay.
Okay, legal breakdown time. The judge is calculating child support based on the income he officially reported, $42,000. Unless she brings receipts showing more, that's the number the court sticks with. Paper trails matter, folks.
Did that mom bamboozle? I'm kidding. Okay, so one other child, that brings your child support obligation to $472. And Medicaid, I'm only allowed to take up to 9% of your gross. So 9% of that $3,500 will be $315. That has to be reimbursed to Medicaid, you understand? So your monthly obligation total is $787.
All right.
You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, all right. And are you going to be a part of Emory's life?
Hey, I got to. It's my DNA.
Okay, all right. I would really like to see you do that. And I would like to see you guys be friends. So you have to be nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have any other questions?
That is all.
Okay.
And there it is, the emotional turn. Jaleel finally steps up. Kinda. DNA confirmed and court-ordered support locked in. Now, the big question. Will he actually be a father or just a financier? What do you think? Let us know below.
If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
God is good.